Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. Let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my LinkedIn profile. So click on profile icon that you can see right here. Go to settings and privacy. Then go to account preferences. Here you can find display. Under display, you can see dark mode. Click on it. To turn on dark mode, select always on. Now you can see dark mode is enabled. So if you want to go with device settings, it will use the mode already selected in device settings. That means if you have selected dark mode on your device, LinkedIn will be dark, or if you have selected light mode on your device, it will be light. Here I have already selected light mode on my device, so it is light mode. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.